If you want to cancel your Revolut free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you do it correctly. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon or the account section, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access subscription settings. Scroll down to find the subscription or plan option. Click on it to view your current subscription details, including the free trial status. Step 4. Cancel the free trial. Look for the option to cancel your free trial. This may be labeled as cancel trial or end subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check that your trial has been successfully cancelled to avoid any charges. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Revolut free trial. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for assistance.